For as long as there has been superpowered dogs, there has always been the question of who would win in a fight. Today, I'll be taking 3 superhero dogs. Well, 2 superhero power dogs and 1 normal dog, pitting them against each other and plotting out different scenarios, like a death battle type arena battle with 0 preparation, and a battle with prep time. So, without further ado, let's meet our combatants. First up is Bolt from the movie Bolt. An ordinary dog with no superpowers to speak of. And his weakness could be considered anything. Second combatant. There's no need to fear. Underdog is here. Our next combatant is Underdog. From the movie Underdog. You could also take the TV show one, but we'll stick to the movie one. Because then you gotta deal with that whole energy vitamin pill. From the cartoon series. Our third combatant is the always overpowered Krypto the Superdog. Superman's dog from the TV show Krypto the Superdog. It will only be these 3 combatants in this battle. First off, a death battle. Bolt is seriously overwhelmed. He has no way of combating 2 dogs who can both fly. I both have strength and one has the ability to freeze him solid in a block of ice or kill him via laser vision. Unless Bolt were to kidnap Underdog's girlfriend and Polly, he would have no advantage against Underdog. And unless he was able to get his hands on like a kryptonite dog collar, he'd have no chance against Krypto. Krypto would easily take the death battle. But with prep time, both he and Underdog could get their hands on kryptonite. Well, pause on kryptonite. And power down Krypto. Then it would be easy for Underdog to break his bones or even incapacitate him in some way. Then All he would need to do was take down Bolt. One neck snap, and boom, Underdog would be the winner. The only way that either Krypto or Bolt would be victorious would be for them to kidnap Polly, but Bolt has no superpowers, so he would be incapable of kidnapping Sweet Polly Purebred. But then there's Krypto. He has powers and could easily kidnap Polly, but I don't think that he would play dirty. He would fight fair and honest. So there you have it. Who do you think would win in a battle royale? Well, post your comments in the comment section below and suggest another battle between fictional characters, and I will do my best to cover this battle.